Welcome to Prod Panda AI, where we simplify product management. In minutes, imagine two teams, same project, same deadline. Team 1 spends 6 months planning, but delivers nothing. Team 2 releases every 2 weeks and keeps improving. Guess which one survives? Welcome to the ultimate battle, Agile versus Waterfall. At Prod Panda AI, we define it as the difference between guessing and learning. Let's dive in. Let me explain this like your weekend plan. Imagine you're planning a massive birthday party. The waterfall approach means a 50-page plan, a fixed menu, and a locked guest list 6 months in advance. But when the guests arrive, they say, "We're vegan now." Total chaos. At Prod Panda AI, we call this the rigidity trap. Now, the Agile approach. You plan the basics, set up a small tasting, and get feedback early. The party gets better every single iteration. You're reacting to what people actually want. Waterfall plans for perfection, Agile plans for reality. Big difference. Let's look at the board. Waterfall is rigid with one big release. Agile is flexible with constant small wins. Waterfall gives feedback too late, creating high risk. Agile brings feedback early, reducing risk to almost zero. Agile is not just a process. At Prod Panda AI, we say it's a mindset. Deliver fast, learn fast, improve fast. It's a loop. You build, you release, you listen, and you improve. Every single time. Instead of waiting 6 months to fail, Agile helps you fail faster and fix faster. That's the secret sauce. Let's look at the 4 core values of Agile. This is where the magic happens. 1. People over process. Real conversations beat 10 long email threads every day of the week. 2. Working product over documentation. No one cares about your 100-page document if nothing works. Show us the product. 3. Customer collaboration over contracts. Your customers are not your enemies. Work with them, not against them. And 4. Responding to change over following a plan. Plans are just guesses. Reality? Reality is chaos. Time for a real-world battle. Let's build a mobile app. Waterfall versus Agile. Who wins? Waterfall plans everything up front and delivers after 6 months. Result? You built the wrong product for a market that already moved on. Agile releases an MVP in 2 weeks. You improve continuously based on real data. Result? A product people actually love using. Delivering late perfection is always worse than delivering early reality. Write that down. Now let's cover 3 powerful Agile principles that will change how you work. 1. Deliver frequently. Small releases are better than big, scary surprises. Keep the momentum going. 2. Work together daily. Business and developers must be on the same team, not throwing requirements over a wall. 3. Embrace change. In Agile, change is an advantage, not a problem to be solved. Lean into it. Wait, it's not all rainbows and pandas. Let's talk about the common mistakes that kill Agile teams. Mistake 1. Fake Agile or Wagile. You use the Agile name, but keep the rigid waterfall execution. Don't be that team. Mistake 2. No feedback. If you build for weeks without showing anyone, you're just guessing in the dark. Mistake 3. The silent customer. No input means you're building a product for nobody. Get them involved. Agile is not just about speed. It's about learning faster than everyone else in the room. Because in today's world, the team that learns the fastest is the one that wins the game. Are you ready? But wait, Agile isn't just one thing. At Prod Panda AI, we say it's like a family of methods. The 2 big stars, Scrum and Kanban. Scrum is all about the sprint. You commit to a set of features, work like crazy for 2 weeks, and then show it off. It's high energy and high focus. Kanban is like a flowing river. You just keep the work moving. No fixed sprints, just a steady stream of value. It's about continuous flow. At Prod Panda AI, we call this the Zen of productivity. You might be thinking, if Agile is so great, why is Waterfall still around? Is it just for dinosaurs? Not exactly. Waterfall is king for physical projects. You don't iterate on a bridge or a rocket engine halfway through. You need a fixed plan for safety and predictable costs. The real secret of a top 1% PM is knowing which tool to use. Use Waterfall when you know exactly what you're building. Use Agile when you're exploring. And a final warning from Prod Panda AI. Beware the hybrid model. Trying to do waterfall planning with Agile delivery often leads to the worst of both worlds. We call this the Frankenstein. So, to wrap it up, Agile is a mindset, not a checklist. It's about embracing the chaos of reality and learning faster than your competition. So where does the product manager fit in? At Prod Panda AI, we say the PM is no longer a manager in the old sense. You're a servant leader. You clear the path, you don't just give orders. And here's the AI angle. AI is supercharging Agile. Imagine AI agents writing your user stories or predicting your sprint velocity. At Prod Panda AI, we call this Agentic Agile. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Waterfall for certainty, Agile for discovery. Don't mix them up and always keep your customers in the loop. That's how you win. Whether you're planning a birthday party or the next billion-dollar app, choose the path that helps you learn. Because at Prod Panda AI, we know that knowledge is the ultimate advantage. Follow Prod Panda AI, where we make product and project management actually make sense. See you in the next episode.